Alright, a quick video. I tried to do this with a GoPro I just acquired, and I think I got the wrong card in it, so it's just completely, everything I shot with is completely garbage. So I ended up switching back to the phone, but we did a clutch linkage repair on the 57, kind of a quick video. So hope y'all enjoy it. It's just kind of a bonus video, just throw something together to get it out there for the middle of the week. It ain't something we're going to keep doing, but I figured give a little update on the 57 anyway. So hope y'all enjoy it, and just bear with me through the process. Okay, got it out. Alright, we're going to see if we can't cut this off. I'm practicing with a new camera, so you're going to have to excuse the update on the channel. It's a major update. Because I'm just a redneck that don't know how to do anything technical. Just know how to mess something up on a car and put it back together. So, see if we can't get this cut off and try to get it re-welded back on. There, I got it. Wheels kind of ground down. Gotta smack it with a hammer. Back and forth. Come on, Vice. Get some that right in you. We ain't wanting a Vice today. Quality. Come on, Vice. I don't know what's up with this thing here lately. It just ain't wanting to get no at right in it. All right, there we go, finally. That's broke off. All right, now, this is the way we're going to go. I might have to clean it up a little bit, but we're going to go straight to 6 o'clock, or 12 o'clock now, but like a that. Yeah, it's hard to see my scratches, but I marked it right there. So I'm just going to line the hole up with the mark, and we'll tack this thing back on there, actually full on weld it. I'll do something like that right there. Mm-hmm. Get my weird helmet now. Come on now, get on my head now. All right. All right. Gotta line it back up with the original marks. We're good there. The fingers are not wanting to work right. It helps if the welder is on. That was a terrible tack. Terrible. That's more better. Looks like hammered shit, but better than it was. Ain't nobody never gonna see it. Now, I'm gonna try to fix this piece that goes inside here, because it's about worn down. So what I've done in the past Just kind of just put some welds on it and kind of grind them back smooth. Usually it works out for fairly good, so that's what we're going to do here. But I'm going to fix this one up, get everything painted, put back in, greased up, get this thing adjusted out. Hopefully it works better, because it's like I just keep losing clutch adjustment, and then it just gets upset and the little rod wants to fall off the fork. I got a safety spring holding it on there, but it's aggravating. It's going to end up getting pulled out, new one put in, the heim joints. I'm tired of dealing with it. I decided I got this welded up, and it fits a lot better than it did. It's still a little slop in there. So I found this valve stem cap. This fits perfectly on, and that hole is almost the same size as that valve stem cap on the outside of it. So what I'm going to do is make a bushing out of the valve stem cap. It may work, it may not work, I don't know. But I tried drilling a hole bigger with a drill bit, and the drill bit broke because they're crappy drill bits. Probably the worst drill bits you could buy. So try to hog that hole out just a little bit where this is going to fit. Oh my God, that is perfect. Now I might be able to take this belt grinder and just grind the top of that off. And then voila, there's a bushing, and that fits in there. It should fit in there. It will fit in there. Okay, I see what the problem is. I got a couple little threads in there holding it from going. So let me rub them out. Get on in there. You can get in there. All right. I should have that. And this can come on through. Come on. Get some act right in you. Oh yeah, that's a lot better than it was. It's going to be a little bit of play in it, but that's 1,000 times better. Okay. This is the push rod. You can tell it's just got like the ball end. I had to make this because the original one was in the shape of a question mark. So I have this spring that goes on there, and the spring went on there like this and clamped to the fork itself. That way if this thing got too loose, it wouldn't just fall out. And I had a hose clamp holding it on this, and it's kind of a last minute kind of idea. So now I think what I'm going to do is make a tab or something to go on there that this can hook to, and then I'll be able to hook this like that, and it'll be better than what it is. So that looks like crap. I don't know what's going on with the welder. I'm sick of messing with it for today. Now I'm going to take my belt grinder and shape it up, clean it up, make it look a little better. Pop a hole in it. And we got a place to put the spring, and the spring can stay there, and I ain't got to worry about a hose clamp sliding on it. So I don't like this welder. I don't know what's up with it, but I think after as many years as I've been using it, I think it's just finally getting tired. I don't know. I think it just needs rebuilt. Okay, it's hot. I need to move somewhere where it's not so damn hot. Okay, we have a tab. I'm trying to bend this over to it. Put it in there. And that should be her. Now I ain't got to worry about clamp failing on me. I can hook that up, and that'll help hold any kind of, if anything happens, it won't just fall out. And it should hold it on the throw out or the clutch fork. Can't think. So that should do that, and that'll do that, and that'll do that, and then it'll do that, and then everything will be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting all this back together. Oh, left my creeper in the sun. That's awesome. It's not hot at all. Love it. All right, let that sit there. All right. Got some grease. I'm gonna grease these pivot balls up. That way this thing will slide and operate a little bit better than it did before. It was kind of tight. So let's see. Let me get a little bit on that. Get all up in there. You get in there and you like it. Okay, I got all that done. I'm gonna get it up off the jack stands, and I guess we'll try to take this thing for a spin and see what she do. I hope that's it. I hope I ain't gotta get back up under this thing. We will see. We'll find out. It's hot. Hoping this will work. The reverse feels pretty good. So far, so good. Damn, I ain't got no clutch chatter either. Used to it with wow, I didn't even no clutch chatter. Wow. It's a lot better. Oh man, that's almost too good. Huh. Man, it shifts a whole lot better. Well, that pretty much does it on this one. That was a quick one. Probably gonna be a little bonus video for the week. I might do some stuff like this during the week. It's just something that needed to be done. And the car was so ill driving with the clutch. It's a world of difference now. I can't believe it. Clutch adjustment, just something simple, which I wouldn't classify as simple because we had to cut and weld and redesign a lot of stuff. But it's shifting smoother. It's a lot firmer. It's going in gear a whole lot better. It don't chatter no more. Oh my God, the chatter was unbearable. But I thought I was going to put a clutch in it. But I think it's good. I want to drive it around a little bit. And this thing's going on a trip here in a few months. So I need it to be as good as it can be. So hope y'all enjoyed it, and try to get some good driving video with this car. I need to get some better, but doing what I can. I'm back on the phone. I've been practicing with a camera that I got, and battery was dying on it. I don't know how good the footage is going to be at the beginning of this, so y'all like, subscribe, tell your buds, and keep out for new videos on Thursdays and mini bike series on Sunday, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.